사람 네가 없는 이 소리를 걸어.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jimin. Happy birthday to you. Yes, a very happy birthday to the one and only Park Jimin. And yes, I am here with the Jimin reactions. So we are going to be enjoying and having fun. And I'm going to be posting 3 videos today. 3! Yes! I love Jimin so much. You guys already know this. The boy, the dude who never calms down, and I'm so happy that he doesn't. So for right now, this reaction, I'm going to be reacting to his live performance. Yes, I had told you and I had wanted to, so I kept this aside for his birthday, because I definitely wanted to check out his performance live, and I'm going to be reacting to the stage mix, so I'll get to check different stages also for live. The other 2 reactions are going to be like a compilation reactions, so I don't know if I'll club those 2 reactions or maybe I'll post it separately. Let's see. But right now, oh my god, you already know, if you have watched my Wings album listening and album reaction, you know that Lie is, it's right there at the top. It's probably my second favorite song from the album, the first one definitely being First Love. But Lie is, what a song, man, what a song. That Jimin, matlab, like, dude, what a voice, the way he sang that song, and I'm just dying to look at this live performance. So yes, let's not delay this any further. Let us begin, armies, the birthday celebration of Park Jimin. I definitely, want you guys to pour all your love to this beautiful, amazing guy, superbly talented, kind-hearted, and has the most gorgeous smile, eyes, and heart. So yes, I'm so happy. So happy. Uska birthday, but I am happy. See? So much happiness he's spreading. Alright, here we go. Live stage mix. Oh man. Oh, okay. Let me prepare myself. I'm already dead. I'm already dead looking at him like this. Ooh, it has the subtitles also. Don't be like a queen, smooth like a left sling. 벗어나고 싶은데, 내게서 떠나줘. 내게서 떠나줘. 오. 너라도 날 구해줘. 계속돼 도망쳐봐도. Sorry, I have to run that back again because I'm really, I'm concentrating very hard. I want to watch his dance. I want to see the choreography, because it's not you can choreograph the song, but it's a very tricky song to choreograph, I feel. Once again. Oh. I just want to see how he's catching the beat. It looked very fascinating to me. Tough. Awesome. He's not missing a single beat. I am sorry. I am so like engrossed. I am totally. I can't move my eyes away. Like I want to pause and say something, but I don't want to. So he wore the blindfold, so I got a bigger shock. But he's so mesmerizing when he moves his. And I love what I love about Jimin's, specifically him dancing all that, like this contemporary sort of dance of course suits him because he's trained in that, but other than that I love how with every beat thuk 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 he does that. The song has a lot of those cuts and beats, and every time he's just so effortlessly catching that beat and moving his body. And I love how he can just, I don't know, it's like if his shoulder is moving, then his entire body is is stiff, and then he can just move the shoulder independently. Then comes the hand, then comes the, he can move his body parts independently. It's so good, and that is why the dancing looks so neat and clean, because even the subtlest of the movements he can just separate. Agar just say if he's moving the hand, you can just see the hand moving and he'll just keep the entire body so stable. It's amazing. It's amazing. That is why the way he can separate his body movements is why I feel his dancing looks extremely neat and clean. It's beautiful. I'm so happy. Happy birthday, Jimin. God bless you. Wait, thuk. Are you seeing what I mean? Like everything he is like this, every little movement. Thuk. Are you kidding me? He's gonna dance with a blindfold? You're kidding me. I love this step. Did you see that step? Tut. There's so many beats that I caught every beat. Awesome! Just see that step. Such a difficult song to sing live. Oh, the power of his voice. I love this choreography so much. The power in his vocals. I like the step. Oh man. Ooh. There's a dance break also? His expressions, just the way he's walking, it's amazing. Oh, I love this ending. Amazing. Oh, wow. Not just the performance, but even the, let me stop this. even the vocals were so powerful. Such a difficult song to sing and dance to. But it just, his voice also did not even sound shaky. It's a stage mix, so I don't know from which stage that audio is, this particular audio. But I love the ending also. Tung, 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 that this nice ending that it was given. Oh, wow. Woo! Wow. Oh man, Jimin's solos are something, huh? Really something. Serendipity, Filter, Lie. What is this dude, yeah? And every song is just so. All the songs, be it Serendipity, Lie, or this one, 3 solos I'm talking about, which are part of the album, they have such a different feel, and all the 3 are so freaking difficult to sing, man. I feel Filter is one of the most difficult songs. If I have to rank the songs in terms, all his 3 solos in terms of the difficulty level, I think in terms of singing, Filter, I feel, is one of the most difficult songs. The note in Filter is so difficult to pull, man. Oh man. And this song, I just love how dark and gritty and sinful this entire song is. Even if you don't know the meaning of the song, the way it has been sort of arranged and mixed, and the way he's singing the song, you will get that feel without even knowing the meaning at the first listen also. I freaking loved this performance. His outfit was beautiful. I like that, he was given like a loose shirt, top, because then his movements are much, much freer in this case. And the way he's catching the beat. For me, I think in this choreography, if you see, it's not a very complex choreography compared to what we see of BTS choreographies. But here, I feel that the way he was catching thuk, 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 every beat, the way he was catching every beat, it was so on point. And I loved that. I absolutely loved that. And his vocals, again, so powerful, amazing. This guy, Jimin, I just wish you all the success, and I wish you a very, very happy birthday. And I know that him as a person, he has gone through a lot in terms of what, at least in my 1 year of being an army, like what I've come to realize is that all the boys are sensitive, but I think Jimin is very very doubtful of himself still, and that sort of got reaffirmed to me when I watched the Festa, this Festa video 1 hour when I reacted to it. So I think there is still a sense of insecurity, which also shows that he's a human being. He's still a human being, and there is still a sense of self-doubt, even if he has achieved so many things, and there's so many people to reassure him worldwide. There's so many armies to reassure him that no, Jimin, you're just absolutely perfect the way you are. But still, that sort of creeps in. And when I was watching the interview when they visited the United Nations, so when the lady asked Jimin the question, and she said that I can't believe that you are nervous because of being here, but because you perform in front of like millions of thousands of fans, but I can't really believe that you are nervous being here. But it just proves that at the end of the day, we are all human beings. And absolutely, he's a wonderful human being. He might have his own flaws, but that does not take away anything from his achievements. So I wish him all the best. Not just being a part of BTS, but whatever he decides to do in future after his stint with BTS gets over. And I know he keeps telling that he just doesn't know what he will do if BTS is there, not anymore. If BTS is not there active anymore, because he doesn't know anything else. I know he has that doubt still, but I totally believe he can achieve whatever the hell he wants to. So yeah, I will end this video here. I will, upload the other 2 videos. Let's see if I upload both the reactions separately or maybe together. We'll see. So yep, definitely pour in your love for the beautiful Park Jimin in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this reaction, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you love K-pop content. And yep, I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.